Hello everyone, welcome back to new video once again. So, I would like to talk about Trusted English, and it will really help you to enhance your English. So let's come to the point and let's get started. And today I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so let's come to the point. So number one, আমি জানি না ওই জায়গা যেখানে তুমি বাস করো. I don't know. I don't know that place. Place where you live in. I don't know that place where you live in. Number two, এটা ভালো অভ্যাস অন্যদের সাহায্য করা. It's it's a good habit to help others. It's a good habit to help others. Number three, আমি ওই কাজ করতে পারতাম. I could do that work. I could do that work. And the last one, তোমার মতে আমাদের কি করা উচিত? In your opinion, what should we do? Should we do? In your opinion, what should you do? And I'm going to clear out it. আমি জানি না ওই জায়গা যেখানে তুমি বাস করো. I don't know that place where you live in. And number two, এটা ভালো অভ্যাস অন্যদের সাহায্য করা. It's a good habit to help others. And number three, আমি ওই কাজ করতে পারতাম. I could do that work. And if I talk about আমি ওই কাজ করতে পারি, so that will be I can do this work. And as I have told you, আমি ওই কাজ করতে পারতাম, so that will be could. Okay, can, could. And number three, number last one is আমার মতে তোমার মতে আমাদের কি করা উচিত? In your opinion, what should I do? So how was the class? Let me know and have a great day. See you some other time. Take care of yourself. Bye.